What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. And I just bought this camera. It's a camcorder 4K Ultra HD. So I'm going to open up and see what they have for me. Inside it looks so pretty. It is on a nice packed bag, which is a DVD digital video camera. This is instruction manual. This is the hood. This make your camera in case you are taking videos on the sun or when the wind is blowing. It make your camera stable and the video to come out perfect. This is the microphone for the camera. This is the wiping cloth. We have HDMI cable. This is a SD card, 64 gigabyte. I do have a remote. It don't come out with battery, so you have to buy one. It takes AAA 1.5 battery. It's LED video lights, just in case if you are taking your videos at night. This is the battery for the camera. This is the charger cable for your microphone, and your LED light is chargeable. You just plug it right here. And you can charge the microphone too. Just turn it on or off. So right here is a USB cable. That's why you charge. We have the handle. And this is a 4K Ultra HD camcorder. It uses a Wi-Fi. It's a 30 digital zoom, night vision, and the screen is 3-inch IPS touchscreen. 48 max megapixel. Lens. That's how pretty it looks. So insert the battery. The handle go right here. Just press it in, then tighten up. Like that. This is the hood. Like that. So the microphone is gonna go on top right here. Then I'll press it down tight. This is the microphone cable. You can just plug it in on the camera. It's 64 gigabyte that comes with the camera too. So I'm going to put it in. Just below the battery, we have a dual SIM. You can put the SD card, microphone, your USB cable, HD. Put your microphone cable too, right here. When you turn it on, when you open the screen, it's gonna come on automatic. Like that. You see how pretty it looks? You can just hold it this way. Put your hand right here, or you can use your handle. Thanks for watching.